Welcome back, guys, Crypto Follow channel. In this video, I would like to talk about moving averages. Let's dive in. In this video, I will talk only about how to use this tool, how to adjust the settings. And in the next videos, I will share with you some strategies, how you can build, how you can combine EMA and with other tools, combine and build a real strategy, how to open, how to close position. EMA, SMA, WEMA, SMMA, it's just the tool. And all of them show you pretty same data. I personally use mostly EMA. Not so often, but yes, time to time I can use it. And I have to say this is one of the not so many really useful tool. And with this line, just simple line, you can build a strategy. Real strategy. Of course, depends of your proper risk management, money management, and of course, you have to work in a complex. When you use some tool, you have to understand what exactly this line now on the chart showing you. Because a lot of people, when they add some indicators, add some tools on the chart, they totally don't understand what exactly this line showing you. That's why even by name, you can understand. So the moving average showing you that some average price by some time period. To add EMA onto the chart, you need to just go to indicators, type EMA, and choose this one, moving average exponential. You can add to favorites. Why the line on the chart? Exactly here. You can adjust settings up to you. So guys, everything absolutely individual. Most popular line numbers, what people use, what trader use, it's 20, 50, 100, 200. It's a days. So we go in settings and adjust the length will be 50. Just for example, 50, I mean, I would like to see the average price by candle close last 50 days. Here. That's it. So we multiply all of that 50 candle close price and divide 50. And in this case, the average price of all of this 50 days on Sol USDT, just like example, now is 155. And the logic of this line is the same like with regression channel. So the price always wanna come back and test the fair price or average price. So for example, where we're going way over the line, we always wanna come back. So we drop it way under, we always wanna come back. Way over again, and we want to come back. And you can use it on totally different time frames. You can find how the price sometimes reacts and respect the line here, because we come back to the average price of some time period. So here, this is a daily time frame, we test it. Then here, we test it like support. The line can play out like support or resistance. So for example, we can go to 4-hour time frame, and even now you can build some plan. So let's say when the price rejects the line, I open short. So here it was a short like 6%. But the problem, you don't know where to fix the profit. Then, for example, you build a strategy. When the price bounce and test above, I open long. But basically, of course, it's not smart. We have to buy in here, not here. But anyway, here, 10%. When we test and hold the line, I buy in again. Here, 19. Then we drop it lower. I buy in again. 10. This is the simplest way how you can use the line. So now, like you can see, the price wanna test the 50 moving average. Of course, you can go to settings and adjust it, because you understand almost all traders in the world now use absolutely identical moving averages. That's why you can adjust it like, I don't know, maybe 52. A little bit lower, right? So maybe you get a bad entries, or you can use like 56. Just like a consensus, so the people start using that 20, 50, 100, and 200. Also, you can adjust and add, for example, SMA, the smoothing line. Turn on, choose the color, for example, go into inputs and choose the SMA, like, let's say 100 days. Then you can try build a strategy, find some, on the back test, find personal entries and exits with a back test, and build some condition. I open long when the 50 EMA crossing the 100 SMA. So that's it. I'm buying here. Of course, I already explained to you this is not all the time will be the best line. So it's absolutely the same story like with the golden cross and the desk cross. So the best entry could be here, right? But here we cross below. But of course, someone can build a strategy just with this condition. On 5 minute time frame, you have to understand if you want to build a strategy with some crossing the lines, you will see the more fails and more signals, because these lines will cross each other more often than on, for example, 12-hour time frame. That's why everything absolutely individual and depends on your trading style. For example, we can track the average price of SOL during the last 365 days. So we go into inputs and at 365 days by close. So the average price of SOL now is 127. If we use by low, it will be a little bit different, like this one, 122. If we use by open, it will be a little bit higher, 27. If we use like high, it will be 131. But I recommend you always use by close. And of course, in TradingView, there's a lot of indicators from community. So for example, you can not add many different EMAs. You can use, for example, this one, EMA 20, 50, 100, and 200. But the problem is there is no adjusted settings. So you can choose only the color. On the weekly time frame, it means this is 50 weeks. This is 100 weeks, so 100 candles, multiply close price and divided 100. Now for SOL, it's 104. 200 weekly EMA, average price is 76. It doesn't mean this is like a fair price or 100% we will drop now. Guys, nobody knows. Anyway, sooner or later we will test these lines, but it's just a matter of time. This is just a basic information, what you need to know about EMA and how to work with that tool. In next videos, I will show you some tips and simple strategies what you can use like a beginner with EMA and other tools combined. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.